Hi guys, I am Professor Pandurang Patil from ZEAL Institute of Business Administration, Computer Application and Research. Today I am going to give you introduction about the subject corporate governance. This subject belongs to the MBA second year third semester. This course is half credit course in university evaluation course. All of you know what is meant by the corporate, what is meant by the corporate governance, and I think you heard one word, that is the corporate. Always, and I think all of you know about the Satyam scandals. Satyam scandals, which is also the one best example of the corporate governance. So in this semester we are going to learn about what is meant by the corporate governance. What is the syllabus of the corporate governance and how this subject help all MBA students for future prospects. Now, the first we need to understand what is the objective of this subject. What is the objective of corporate governance subject? So, first objective is students should understand exactly what is meant by the corporate. What is the structure of the corporate? Students should understand corporate governance. Students should understand governance bodies. Students should understand policies making by the governance, corporate governance. So these are the main objective of this subject. So students definitely get interest, students definitely learn lot of things related to the corporate through this subject. Now second important thing is that the outcome of this subject, the best outcome, students should understand the board of directors. Students analyze the policy making by the board of governance, how board of governance make the policies, how board of governance are distributing the authorities and roles and responsibilities. So all these things are the output of these subjects. Also students should analyze the Indian corporate governance, global corporate governance, domestic corporate governance, structure of the corporate governance, Anglo-Indian corporate governance structures, Indian corporate governance structures. All these things students should understand, students should learn through this corporate governance subject. Now the third important thing is that the timeline of this subject. So this subject is half credit course, 2 credit course. This is totally university evaluation course. Now for this subject to complete the syllabus required minimum 22 lectures. Now these subjects, now we need to understand the syllabus of this subject. There are total 5 units in this subject. First unit is the corporate governance. What is the introduction of the corporate governance, definition of the corporate governance, structure of the corporate governance. So all these points under in the unit number 1. Unit number 2, which is totally related to the board of directors, roles, responsibilities of the board of directors, how to recruit the board of directors, structure of the board of directors, all these things which is under in the unit number 2. Unit number 3 is totally related to the stakeholders. Stakeholders of the corporate governance. How many stakeholders, which stakeholders have more importance, responsibilities and authorities of the stakeholders, that is included under in the unit number 3. Now unit number 4 is totally related to the policies, government, Indian government, how Indian government's policies are impacting on the corporate governance. How corporate governance need to absorb the policies which is given by the Indian governments. So all these things which is in unit number 4. Now last unit, which is unit number 5. In this unit we are going to learn about the case studies which is happen in India, otherwise which is happen in globally. The best case study which is, firstly I said you to the Satyam scandal. How Satyam scandal was happen. Who was responsible for this Satyam scandal? The same ways, one more important thing is, important example which is happen in ICICI Bank. Chanda Kochar has made a lot of fraud in ICICI Bank. All these type of the case studies we need, we are going to learn through this unit number 5. So this is the syllabus. Now in this subject there is no concurrent evaluation, but as a subject coordinator, as a course coordinator, I have a lot of plans to give you the practical approach through this subject. Okay. So, last point is the pedagogy which is I am going to use to teach this subject is PPT presentations, yeah, case study analysis and group exercise, otherwise examinations, all these type of the pedagogies I am going to give you use in this for this to teach these subjects. Okay, thank you very much.